Okay, my project is Pleximo. It's a mechanical installation that produces organic output as in a projection. It's a modular system. It's like 32 modular boxes with a mechanism on it, and the mechanism lifts the lid, and the lid has a mixture of oil and water on it, which produces the projection. That's done by a LED light where the box stands on, and I can set it up differently every time. For every exhibition I can make a different setup. The reason I built mechanical installations is because I like the poetics of mechanics that's usually hidden inside a machine. It's so clear what happens. If you look at mechanics, you can just follow step by step what's happening. And I think we lost that in computers and in electronics. You cannot clearly see what's going on, and I love that in mechanical installations. So that's why I built mechanical installations. My name is Renée Hulshoff. Oh, and I needed to say which school I did, right? I studied art science at the Royal Academy in The Hague.